Okay, in our last video we went ahead and we had you link up Windows Live Writer with Blogger. Hopefully you've already done that, and then you've got your photo bucket account going, and now we're actually going to come in and create a page. So to do that, you'll notice when you're first in Windows Live Writer it wants you to enter a post title. You don't actually need to do anything here, because this post title, even if you were to type it in here, the way that we're going to put this into Facebook, this won't show up anyway. So just ignore that for now. What you're going to be concerned about is going to be in this space down here. So I went ahead and created some text that we're just going to use for an example purpose, and copy this straight in here. Now, of course, you can type directly into Windows Live Writer, or if you're more comfortable like with Microsoft Word or something, you can always create it there and then paste it in here later. But what I'm going to do, as you can see, this text is pretty bland. This would look pretty bland in your Facebook page. So let's go ahead and we're going to do a little bit of formatting here. Let's say we wanted to make this our headline. We might want to center this, make it bold, and then we could come up here into Format, click on Font, and say we wanted to change the font to something that looks a little bit different. You have the preview screen here. I kind of like using Verdana, and then you might come in and change the color of it, say to blue. Hit OK. Let's just make the text a little bit bigger. Change that to an 18. Then just hit OK. As you can see, it's going to scrunch it just a little bit, and then that's just kind of the way that Live Writer works. I might want to come in and highlight some of this text, and then you can also just come back in here and then click on Format, just make this a little bit bigger, and say for instance you wanted to link to maybe your spa's website. If you did that, you might want to say you could link any of this text, and when I say then click on this link here in the text, we would click on hyperlink, and then I'm just going to type in Google just for our example's sake. Obviously you wouldn't link to Google, you would link to whatever your spa's homepage is, or whatever page, and there, as you can see, it's already linked. Now I'm going to come back to that photo that we had referenced before. Now, in order to do that, you're going to click on the picture thing over here. Now, you'll notice whenever it first pulls up, it wants to pull a picture from your home computer file. You don't want to do that. You want to go to the web, and then let's come back down over here to Photo Bucket, and let's see, it's right here. And we're going to use this picture that we just uploaded. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this direct link right there. Now, if you highlight that, just right click on it, hit copy, go back over to your Windows Live Writer, and then just put that in there, and it should pop up a preview window. There's the one that we want. We're just going to insert that, maybe resize it, and there you go. I mean, that's pretty basic, and you could certainly mess with it a lot more than this, but as you can see, it's pretty easy to create. Now the next step is going to be putting this into Facebook, but I'm going to go ahead and wait till another video to show you how to bring this all together.